Hello everyone, Sangeeta here. Let's have a revision on zinc and selenium. So the questions from these two topics are usually either they can ask the functions of zinc alone for 2 or 3 marks, or functions of selenium, or sometimes the deficiency manifestations of either zinc or selenium. So let's have a brief revision on zinc. So zinc, we know that it is present in almost all types of nuts, grains, meat, etc. And iron, which inhibits the absorption. And another important feature is excreted to the pancreatic juice. RD and all you can go through with yourself. Then zinc functions. This is an important thing. You can note it down all these points. Zinc is a component of many metalloenzymes. It helps to maintain the integrity of skin, growth and reproduction. Zinc stabilizes insulin, and it is a component of transcription factor, regulation of immune function, wound healing, and it is a component of GUS. So sometimes the question may even ask, name the zinc containing enzymes or selenium containing enzymes. So many examples are there. Here it is given: carboxypeptidase, carbonic anhydrase, alkaline phosphatase, LDH, etc. Then RNA polymerase, which is used for the protein synthesis. Then superoxide dismutase, which is an antioxidant. All these enzymes which contain zinc as a cofactor to enhance the enzymatic reaction. Another important function is before releasing the insulin. So insulin, the beta cells of pancreas, it is associated with the zinc as in the form of PZI, that is protamine zinc insulinate. It is mainly helps to stabilize the pre-form of insulin. Then gustin in saliva, it is present in saliva for taste sensation, which is also a zinc containing protein. Then zinc deficiency manifestations, usually for wound healing, lesions of skin, impaired spermatogenesis, dermatitis, alopecia, reduction in number of T and B lymphocytes, macrophage function is usually retarded, depression and dementia. This is another important feature. The main zinc deficiency which leads to a specific condition known as acrodermatitis enteropathica. As the name suggests, it's mainly affecting the skin. Acrodermatitis enteropathica. So here usually inflammation around the nose, mouth, fingers, etc. occurs, and enteropathica usually associated with diarrhea, alopecia. Ophthalmoplegia hypogonadism also may be seen in this condition. It is a recessive condition where the zinc absorption is usually defective. That is why it leads to all these complications. Treatment usually elemental zinc can be given. Here the figure given to show the acrodermatitis enteropathica. Erythematous plaques are present on the cheeks and buttocks. The buttock lesions are typically symmetric. Then coming to the selenium. Selenium, it is also present in almost all the foods like eggs, then mushrooms, then green leafy vegetables, etc. Okay, and selenium containing enzymes are glutathione peroxidase. Again, it is an antioxidant. Then 5' deiodinase, which is the enzyme which is required for the conversion of T4 to T3. Then selenoprotein, which is a protein which is present in the spermatozoa. In this, zinc, selenium is present. Other functions of selenium are already said, that is deiodinase, 5' deiodinase, which consists of selenium, which help for the synthesis of T3 from T4. So in selenium deficiency also can be a cause for hypothyroidism. Second one, it helps to prevent liver cirrhosis and muscular dystrophy. Then selenium, which is essential for the development of spermatozoa, because selenoprotein, a specific protein which is present in spermatozoa. Then selenocysteine, which is required for the termination of protein biosynthesis. We know that which is the 21st amino acid has been discovered, selenocysteine. Then antioxidant function, vitamin E, which decreases selenium requirement. So that means selenium also has some antioxidant property. We have already seen glutathione peroxidase, which consists of selenium. Then selenium prevent carcinogenesis. And regarding the selenocysteine, The UGA codon for direct insertion for selenocysteine into selenium containing enzymes. So selenocysteine, which is directly incorporated in the protein during biosynthesis, and it has a role in termination of protein biosynthesis, which is the 21st amino acid. The deficiency of selenium, it leads to a specific disease known as Cajun disease. Cajun disease is a specific disease which specifically seen in China region because the soil devoid of selenium. So the features of Cajun disease are multifocal, myocardial necrosis, cardiac arrhythmias, cardiac enlargement, etc. Mainly it affects the heart. Then isolated selenium deficiency, it leads to liver necrosis, cirrhosis, cardiomyopathy, muscular dystrophy, etc. And another disease due to selenium deficiency is Karchenbeck disease, which is characterized by degenerative osteoarthrosis. And other features given here, effect of selenosis in human body. Selenosis means the excess level of selenium in blood. That condition is known as selenosis. It leads to emotional disturbances, diarrhea, garlic odor in breath due to dimethyl selenide. This dimethyl selenide which gives a specific garlic odor in breath, and weight loss. These are the characteristic features of selenosis, where there will be increased selenium level in blood occurs. Thank you. This is all about the question from zinc and selenium. Thank you.